Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the app can write files. Free up at least a few hundred megabytes so projects export. Open settings and confirm Alight Motion has storage and media permissions so saves aren't blocked. Once done, check the app version and note it. Updates fix bugs but can change behavior, so you'll want to know your starting point. Now back into Alight Motion and avoid modifying files while saving. That prevents partial writes or corrupted exports. You should optimize the project before exporting. Choose MP4 for video with a reasonable bitrate, because overly high bitrates or exotic codecs can fail to save. If your project is complex, render smaller segments first and reassemble. This reduces memory spikes that interrupt saves. Make sure you render to internal storage rather than directly to an external SD card, since mounting issues often cause failures. If saving still fails, lower resolution and retry to isolate whether resource limits are the cause. You finish by clearing the app cache and performing a full device restart. This resets temporary file locks and frees memory that can block saves. If that doesn't work, export the project structure as a backup file so you can reinstall without losing work. Reinstall the app to resolve corrupted installations, then import your backup and attempt the save again. If problems persist, check for permission dialogues during first launch. Missing permission prompts often silently prevent final writes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.